Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video and tutorial. Today I'm back with a new crochet tutorial, which is again the cross stitch, but this time in a triangle shape. I'm going to show you how to make the triangle cross stitch. This pattern is good if you want to make a shawl, triangle shawl, if you want to make a bandana, whether winter or summer bandana, depends, and many other projects of your choice. So if you are interested to see how to make it, stay tuned for the tutorial. It is an easy one, step by step. You'll be able at the end of this video to make your own cross stitch triangle. So stay tuned for the rest. So I'm using medium worsted yarn and 5.5mm crochet hook. I'll start with the slip knots, and I'm gonna chain 6. In the 5th chain from the hook, I'm gonna make 1 double crochet and 1 double crochet in the last chain. Okay, I'm gonna yarn over, come back in the chain behind the first double crochet and work a double crochet to make the cross stitch. And this is the first cross stitch of the triangle. It'll take shape as we go up. I'm gonna chain 1 and turn. In the first stitch, I'm gonna make 2 double crochet, two double crochet in the next stitch, and 2 double crochet in the last stitch. Now I'm gonna chain 3. So this is the first stitch, which I'm gonna skip. I'm gonna work 1 double crochet into the next 2 stitches. So 1 double crochet, the second one in the next stitch, yarn over, come back to the skipped stitch and work a double crochet. I have 3 stitches left. I'm gonna skip the next one and work 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. I'm gonna yarn over, come back to the skipped stitch and work a double crochet. So you see the cross stitch is increasing in every row. The first one was 1, now it's 2, and going up it'll expand more. So before every cross stitch row we do an increase of single crochet row. It's similar to the circle. So I'm gonna chain 1 and turn. Now I'm gonna make 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, 2 single crochet in the following stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, 2, and 1. I'm gonna chain 3 again and repeat. Skip the first stitch, 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, yarn over, come back to the skipped stitch and work a cross stitch double crochet. Skip the next stitch, 1 double crochet in the following 2 stitches, yarn over, come back to the skipped stitch and work cross stitch double crochet. Skip the next stitch, 1 double crochet in the last 2 stitches, and come back and work a double crochet. And this is how it looks so far. We'll continue with the rows so you know how to handle if you want to go further and make it bigger. Now the next row is a single crochet. I'm gonna chain 1, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, 2 single crochet in the following stitch, 1 single crochet in the following 2 stitches, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in the last 2 stitches. So in every row of single crochet we increase the 1 single crochet in a stitch by 1. That means here it was 1 in the next 2. In the next single crochet row it will be 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, 1 single crochet in the following 3 stitches, and the next row will be in the following 4 stitches and onwards. So now the cross stitch will increase that way from the single crochet round. So skip the first stitch, 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, come back and work a double crochet. Try to make it a bit loose so the work is not tight. Skip the next double crochet, 1 double crochet in the following 2 stitches. Same, we repeat, skip the next stitch, 1 double crochet in the following 2 stitches. Yeah, getting confused now. And the last 2, skip this one and 1 in the last 2, and come back and work a double crochet. Chain 1, as we have said previously, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the following 3 stitches, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in the following 3 stitches, 2 in the next stitch, and 1 in the last 3 stitches. And again we're gonna go with the cross stitch round. So this is how it looks so far, and this is how the project looks with a cross stitch triangle. Very easy to make if you're familiar with a cross stitch. Even if you're not, if you follow the tutorial, you'll be able to make your own. So the increase happens only in the single crochet row, as we have said. You increase the one single crochet in a stitch by one in every row. The cross stitch row stays the same. Nothing changes. I hope the tutorial was easy to follow. Let me know what you think, and if you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.